someone asks you to create an app that asks for name and email, try also incorporating the geometry managers. So geometry managers are basically allows us arranging the widgets in our application. So these two are commonly used in arranging widgets. So let's try creating an app. So import, create a TK, customize the size and title, then add the name and email for your application. So tk.label, window, comma, text equals name, and that place. So why did we add this um method, that place? So we added that place so we can arrange the widgets in the application. So what if we remove this two here? So let's try removing this two. Oh, s- as you can see, the text name and email didn't add. So it is important to use that place so that these two here can be added in the application since that label only adds a single liner in the application. So let's bring back the that place. Now let's discuss this last two code. So basically this two code here adds the entry method. So tk.entry, then the name of your tkinter file. So let's try running this code. As you can see, we managed to add entry in our application. So basically entry means we can input something in the tkinter. So let's try adding my name, Aaron, and my email, Aaron Valencia. So what if we want to add a clickable GUI? It is very simple. Just like we did earlier, we add new variable, then tk that button method, then text equals the title for your button. So let's try running this code. So as you can see, we successfully added a button here. Let's try. Aaron, then my email, Aaron Yahoo. Then submit. As you can see, the submit button is clickable. So that's it. Thank you for listening to my tutorial.